Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 17. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at the first word, pierce. Friends, pierce means to go into or through something. Its Hindi meaning is pravesh karna. Now moving to its sentence. Its sentence is, the bullet pierced his lung. Its synonym is penetrate. Now moving to our next word, rave. Friends, rave means to talk like a madman. Its Hindi meaning is pagal ki tarah bak-bak karna. Now look at its sentence. Her performance won rave reviews from the critics. Its synonym is babble. Moving to our next word, invincible. Invincible means one who cannot be defeated. In Hindi it is जिसे हराया नहीं जा सकता. Its sentence is, I am invincible. Now its synonym, unbeatable. The next word is philanthropist. Friends, philanthropist means one who loves mankind. In Hindi you can say samaj sevi. Now its sentence, he was a wealthy businessman and philanthropist. Its synonym is humanitarian. The next word that I have for you is stoic. It means being calm and almost without any emotion. In Hindi it is bhavheen. Now moving to its sentence. My father is a stoic by nature and found it hard to express his grief when my mother died. Its synonym is apathetic. The next word is honest. Honest means the responsibility for something. Now moving to its sentence. It is the onus of the applicant to completely fill out the application materials. Synonym is obligation. Next is infallible. Infallible means incapable of failure. Its Hindi meaning is kabhi na galti karne wala. Now moving to its sentence. Even the experts are not infallible. Its synonym is flawless. Now moving to our next word, which is terse. Friends, terse means using few words. Its Hindi meaning is sangshipt. Now look at its sentence. When Jack is angry, she only gives terse responses. Its synonym is laconic. The next word that I have for you is rectitude. Rectitude means morally correct behavior or thinking. Its Hindi meaning is sadachar. Now look at its sentence. She is a model of rectitude. Its synonym is morality. Last but not least is penitence. Friends, penitence means having regret for doing something wrong. Its Hindi meaning is pachtawa. Now its sentence, with tears of penitence, she begged for forgiveness. Its synonym is repentance. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of unbeatable? A. Stoic, B. Invincible, C. Honest, D. Rave. Give me answer of this question in comment box.